Good morning, 7th standard. Welcome you all once again in history period, lesson number 5, the foundation of Swaraj. Okay. In the last period, we had seen the summary. In the summary, this history as well as find odd man out. ये भी लिखा था हमने. Then identify the question भी हमने लिखा था, right? Identify and we have noted the answer also. But once again, I repeat the questions. That is identify, okay, birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj, and the answer is Shivneri Fort. Number 2, place of childhood of Jijabai. Answer is Sindhkhed Raja. Number 3, father of Jijabai, Nakhuji Rajit Jadhav. Number 4, Jagir of Shahaji Raja in Karnataka, and the answer is Bangalore. Then number 5, first capital of Swaraj, answer is Rajgarh. Number 6, fort built by Shivaji Maharaj in Javli Valley, Pratapgarh, answer is Pratapgarh. And then number 7, title conferred by Adil Shah on Siddhi Johar, answer is Salabat Khan. And then place where Baji Prabhu Deshpande laid down his life, answer is Ghod Pass. And fort number 9, fort repaired by Shivaji Maharaj and renamed as Rajgarh, and the answer is Muramdev. Okay, now select the appropriate alternatives. ये मैंने आपको homework दिया था. Select the appropriate alternatives. C, after capturing Javli region, which fort was captured by Shivaji Maharaj? And the answer is Rajgarh. Sorry, Raigad. Answer is Raigad. After capturing Javli region, which fort was captured by Shivaji Maharaj? Answer is Raigad. Number 2, who invaded Pune province when Shivaji Maharaj was trapped at Panhala? Answer is Shahiste Khan. Then number 3, which fort was returned by Shivaji Maharaj to Adil Shah? And the answer is Panhala. And number 4, Shivaji Maharaj renamed Khelna fort as Vishalgarh. Answer is Vishalgarh. Okay, now see here, complete the following diagrams. ये जो थे वो भी हमने किए थे. Parganas in the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. Parganas in the Jagir of Shahaji Raje, and the answer is Pune, Supet, Sakan and Indapur. Then first 4 forts conquered by Shivaji Maharaj, and the answer is Torana, Murumdev, Kondhana and Purandar. ठीक है. First 4 forts conquered by Shivaji Maharaj, and the answer is Torana, Murumdev, Kondhana and Purandar. And then Sardars who opposed the cause of Swaraj, and the answer is Samants of Savantwadi, Mores of Zavli and Ghorpades of Mudhol. Okay, now let us write, find answer, question answers. Question number 1. When was Shivaji Maharaj born? Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th February 1630, and as per Hindu calendar, on Falguni, Vaidya, Tritiya, Shaka year, 1551. See question. When was Shivaji Maharaj born? Answer is Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 and as per Hindu calendar on Falgun Vadya Tritiya Shak year 1551. Now, then next question. Who was summoned by Adil Shah to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj? Who was summoned by Adil Shah to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj? Siddhi Johar, and the answer is Siddhi Johar. SIWJAHAR. Siddhi Johar. The Sardar from the Sardar from the Sardar from Karnal region was summoned by Adil Shah See students, see the answer. Who was summoned by Adil Shah to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj? And the answer is Siddhi Johar. The Sardar from Karnal region was summoned by Adil Shah to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे डैश 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 दिया ना, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आपको क्या लिखना है इसके आगे, आदिल शाह के आगे जो भी वर्ड्स है टू कर्ब द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज, ये आपको यहाँ पर लिख के सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Whose opposition did Shivaji Maharaj face on the way to Vishal? Whose opposition did Shivaji Maharaj face on the way to Vishal? Shivaji Maharaj was the opposition of Shivaji Maharaj. Crush the opposition of Adil Sardar W of Parliament and survey of Ridhampur and survey of Srirangapur and survey of Srirangapur on the way to Inshallah. Now, after the four, what assurance? What assurance did Shivaji Maharaj? Give to people who Rajendra and our sons? Who is Rajendra? Shivaji Maharaj assured the people that he will always seek the welfare of his subjects. See question. What assurance did Shivaji Maharaj give to people through Rajamudra? Through his Rajamudra, Shivaji Maharaj assured the people that he will always seek the welfare of his subjects. Okay. Note down answers in your history copy. Okay. Take a screenshot of this answer and note down all the answers this sides also. Okay, in your history copy. And tomorrow we will write the short notes of this lesson. Okay. Till that, bye bye. Take care.